Welcome to Appium training by Wisdom Trainings. Now this is my phone and enabling developer mode USB debugging that has to be done in the phone. Please connect your phone to the PC USB, right? And go to settings. In the settings, scroll down, you will see the option, last option, about phone. Click on that and you will see something known as build number. Tap on build number for 7 times. Tap 7 times, and at the bottom in the end you will be getting a message that you are a developer now. So you have to enable the developer mode this way. Alright, then you have to enable USB debugging. For that, go over here and go to settings, search for USB, and you will get the option USB debugging over here. Go here and you will be seeing USB debugging. Switch the USB debugging to on state, right? And also, if you want, you can keep the option stay awake when the phone is charging to on, so that when you have connected your phone to USB of your PC, it is charging, and when you are working on Appium, you really don't want your phone to get locked again and again, so it causes a lot of problems or irritation. So that's why, if you want, you can keep it off as well. Fine. Now the next thing is, in USB, one more thing, in USB preferences, okay, select the preference that you want to use your phone for file transfer, and your phone should be, detected over here. See the way my phone has been detected, and you can transfer the phone. This is my phone, HD1901. Okay, but the thing is, if it doesn't get detected, then that means the USB driver for Google USB driver is not able to detect the phone. You'll have to install the phone specific driver from the provider. In my case, when I click on this E drive, the phone which is connected to PC, I get the driver set up. After installing it, my phone got detected over here. So my PC is able to detect the phone. Fine. Okay, so enabling file transfer also helps a lot. Okay, now UDID of the device. Now you have to check whether Android is able to detect the device or not. Your PC is able to, but whether the Android is able to detect it. Well, for doing that, you just go to platform tools and fire the command ADB devices. And when you fire it, hold on, you see that this is list of devices connected. This is known as the UDID of the device. Okay, it's getting detected. Also in Eclipse, you have installed the Android plugin. Fine. In Eclipse, hold on, let me close the welcome screen. You will see a small icon over here, open perspective on top right. Click on that and open the perspective DDMS. In DDMS, you should be able to see the phone. If you are not able to see the phone, then that means there is some issue. You can post the question on our website, free video section, or the forum, anywhere. Okay, so this is getting detected. Traceq.bat, which I just told earlier, in the earlier videos, it's important. Okay, right. Now, once your phone is detected successfully by machine as well as your Android, the next thing is, you have to run Appium, and you have to run Appium, you have to run it on some application, a mobile app, and you will need the APK file of the mobile app. APK file is just like the exe file. Fine. So how do you extract the APK file for automating any Android application? We'll do it in the next part. Alright.